Take a step forward into the future of sustainable motoring with the iconic hatchback with zero emissions, the Volkswagen e-Golf. With a range of up to 144 miles, the e-Golf is the ideal vehicle for everyday use with a powerful electric motor delivering 136 PS with 0 to 62 miles per hour in just 9.6 seconds. And with 80% charge in just 45 minutes from a 50 kilowatt rapid charger, it's the perfect mobility solution for city families. Charging takes under 5.5 hours with a 7.2 kilowatt home wall box or on public charge points, and 17 hours on a 3-pin mains plug. Futuristic but familiar with distinctive blue styling hints, 16-inch dehyve alloy wheels with low rolling resistance tyres, unique e-Golf badging, aerodynamic front grille extending through to the LED headlights, and striking C-signature LED daytime running lights. From behind, the e-Golf creates a lasting impression with uniquely shaped bumpers and roof spoiler, whilst tinted rear LED lights with sweeping indicators complete the stylish look. On the inside, the e-Golf is packed with advanced technology and finished with contrast blue decorative stitching on the leather 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel and gear knob. And control your technology easily with App Connect via the Discover Navigation 8-inch touchscreen. Set your driving and comfort settings with a personalised driver profile with 3 years CarNet Guide and Inform access, giving you a wide range of useful information, from weather forecasts to nearby parking spaces. And with the CarNet app, you'll be able to remotely control all aspects of your e-Golf's electric charging, manage your air conditioning, and even locate your car. Front and rear parking sensors come as standard, whilst intelligent driver assist systems ensure more driving comfort and help you manage critical situations, or even avoid them, such as front assist with adaptive cruise control and city emergency braking with pedestrian monitoring. The Volkswagen e-Golf is electric.
It's available with 2 different powertrain versions. You define the range of your car. The long-range version with the 64 kWh battery provides an electric range of up to 470 kilometers. The electric motor delivers an output of 204 horsepower. This accelerates the Kona Electric to 100 kilometers per hour in only 7.6 seconds. With a battery capacity of 39 kilowatt hours, the basic version drives you up to almost 300 kilometers on a single charge. This motor is generating 135 horsepower. Both powertrain versions deliver 395 Nm of torque. This offers the driver of Kona Electric great fun to drive with full power from the standstill. The completely new developed platform of the Kona enables a space-saving integration of the battery packs without any compromising the roominess. New to the Kona Electric is the smart cruise control with stop and go. Thanks to its radar sensor, it automatically regulates the accelerating and braking performance for convenient driving. The new 7-inch SuperVision cluster gives relevant driving information. In addition, the combiner-type head-up display shows further driving information directly to the driver's line of sight. The Kona Electric features a dedicated center console. It incorporates the shift-by-wire module for intuitive operation. With its expressive styling, the Kona Electric carries the design DNA of the Kona. The characteristic design element of the front are the twin-type headlamps available with full LED technology, and the closed grille, which gives the front a very clean and modern appearance. Connected to 100 kilowatt fast charger, the 64 kilowatt-hour battery can be charged up to 80% in less than 1 hour. Unique to the Kona Electric are the dedicated 17-inch alloy wheels. The 7 exterior colors and the two-tone roof of Kona underline the personal style of any driver. Kona Electric also offers a generous roominess, making it suitable for everyday use.
of the cool features that Jaguar has designed and developed for this car. You can have features enabling you to precondition the interior to your desired temperature, either warm it up or cool it down using the Jaguar remote app. And while it's plugged in, it uses electricity from your power source instead of using electricity from the car. Thereby, when you start your journey, you have maximum range available. If you're the active type, there is the Jaguar activity key, which is this little wristband here. And the way it works is that you can leave your key in the car securely, and then you just place that against the J. That locks the vehicle and it deactivates the key. So you can then go off and do your activity, and when you come back, you just simply press the boot release button here, place that against the J, and that unlocks the car and it reactivates the key. When you do have your key on you, but you don't have access to it because your hands might well be full, there is also the gesture control feature, which is by wagging your foot underneath the rear bumper on either side, it will open the boot without pressing any buttons to reveal a very generous boot space. Now, as you can see, there's plenty of space in the back here. I mean, I'm 6 foot tall, about 180 meters tall. There's loads and loads of knee room. And also, if you look around, we have the panoramic roof here, and it really opens up the space. Jaguar has coated the glass in this new technology, which allows for the sun rays to be blocked when it comes in. And that means you can take the sunblind away. And by taking the sunblind away, Jaguar has freed up the headroom. And it just looks fantastic. You've got this undisturbed view looking out of the car. We've got 2 additional USB ports along with the 12-volt ports in the back. That means that in total, 6 USBs can be connected, and we have your 4-zone air conditioning. And by pushing the button here, you get your rear seat heating. The I-Pace features technology called Smart Settings, and what it does is it detects me when I approach the vehicle using the key as well as my telephone. And as I get in, it will move the seat into my preferred position. But if I like to have the heated seats on in the morning, but not in the evening, it can learn exactly that. And with the media, if I like to listen to the radio in the morning, but on the way home, I like to listen to MP3s, then it'll also learn that. And it'll pre-select everything, so I don't have to worry about doing a thing when I get into the car. Starting the I-Pace is really straightforward. You put your foot on the brake, you press the stop-start button, you press D for drive. Let's go and have some fun. One of the reasons for the I-Pace is so good to drivers, it has 2 motors, one on the front and one at the back, that produce a combined 400 PS and 696 Newton meters of torque. Now, what I've just said might go over some people's heads, but what everyone will understand, 0 to 100 kilometers an hour, available in 4.8 seconds. For about 90% of the driving that I do, I just use my home charger. For those occasions where I do need to go further afield and use public charging, I plan my route using the app. I can send my route to the vehicle and I'll plan it on the navigation system. And what the car does is it will see what my state of charge is now and what my predicted state of charge is when I get to my destination. And if it sees that I don't have a sufficient amount of charge, then it'll actually direct me via public charging stations. The I-Pace is packed with safety features. For example, to help you keep your eyes on the road. That wasn't me, don't worry. That was somebody else. But anyway, seriously, to help you keep your eyes on the road, you can beam information up via the head-up display, such as your speed, your navigation, or even your telephone. And nearly forgot, 8 devices can link up to its 4G Wi-Fi hotspot. So what's it like being in this car? Well, it ticks, for me, so many boxes. It's dynamic, it's fast, it's also safe, but ultimately, it's really calm. And you really do feel cocooned from the outside world. I've been driving this car for about 4 months now, and to be honest with you, I don't want to give it back.
Let it go, make my body go, make our bodies high.